pillars of good health. One is what you eat, right, and how much you eat. And I do practice intermittent fasting myself, so I eat only between in 8 hours of lunch and dinner. I don't have breakfast, for example, and I fast for 16 hours. And that, since I've started it, I do feel, the clarity and more energy. What, in addition, you can add to strengthen these two pillars? And that's where I think a lot of nutritional strategies come in place. And one of the ones is we talk about is urolithin A, but there are other strategies, linked to better mitochondrial health or better cellular health. And of course, the fourth one would be, have a good stress-free structure around you, sleep better, and have good support network. And that's